This is a severe weather statement for Des Plaines, Illinois. National Weather Service Doppler radar has detected severe weather including heavy rain and a severe thunderstorm. You must stay indoors or seek shelter underground. Do not go outside. States impacted include, but are not limited to, 5 countries in Illinois, 3 areas in southern Wisconsin, 4 areas in Minnesota, 6 countries in Iowa, and 5 countries in western Nebraska. Stay indoors or seek shelter underground. If you hear thunder, you are close to getting struck by lightning. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, or television outlets or internet sources for further updates.